Hey guys, so here's what I'm going to show you today is the way to find a point where that two graph intersect. So let's put in the function of x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 5. And the second function, let's put in linear functions, so let's say 2x plus 5. And then you want to go to graph. And as you can see that right here, we do have 2 points where those two graph intersect. So one is down here, the other one is up here. It looks like that point right here, it's -1, 1. And then the point up here, it's 0, 5. But now, in order to be a little bit more accurate, you want to go to second trace. And you want to go to intersect. So now this one is asking about the first curve. So the first curve, let's say that 0, 5, that's what we want to put in. So press enter. And then second curve, which is the red line. So you want to move the cursor a little bit to the right. And then press enter. And then press enter one more time. So here's the first point of intersection. So for the x value, it's about 6.901 times 10 to the power of -15. As you can see that here, this one is the scientific notation. And for the y value, it's 5. And now, let's find out the other point of intersection. So second trace again. And you want to go to intersect. So this time we need to shift the point all the way back to the left. So a little bit more to the left. So first curve, which is about -2.424. Second curve. Again, going back to the red line right here, so just move the point back to the right. And then press enter. Enter one more time. This is -2, 1.